Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to fix Prizepicks Location. So you need to get your phone and you need to go to your phone settings. This process is similar on Android and iOS, so you can use both of them. Let's go to our phone settings and let's go to the search where we need to search for location services. And we need to open it. Then you need to make sure that the location is toggled on, and then we need to go to the app permissions, and right here we need to find Prizepicks. So here is Prizepicks. So there are a few settings, guys, and you need to make sure that allow only while using the app is toggled on, and you need to make sure that precise location is also toggled on, guys. So if it's not like this, you need to toggle them on, and then you can close your phone settings. This will fix the Prizepicks location. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.